my god, I about hit you with my bottle. I'm scared. Well, now I have angered the enemies. Oh, he's on me!
This way, Ian?
No! Ah! I knew that was gonna happen.
Little big bag.
Go, Tess!
Good hit.
Ow! Oh, I have 1 health! Tess, you have 1 health!
What?
I only have 1 health! Oh. Chainsawman on me! Oh, I'm dead. Oh, I'm vomiting again! I've got Chainsawman, I'm dead! I'm dead. I'm really cooked. I'm absolutely cooked. And I got a fuse on me. I'm being executed. The alien on this mountain!